Good morning all of you. In the previous class, we are solving the questions of chapter probability. Now today we will see some other questions based on it. So let's see. Our first question is bag first contained 3 red and 4 black ball. Bag second contained 4 red and 5 black ball. One ball is transferred from bag first to second bag. Then a ball is drawn from bag second. The ball so obtained is found to be red in color. Okay? The ball so drawn is found to be red in color. Find the probability that the transfer ball is black. So first we have two bags. Bag first and bag second. In bag first we have 3 red and 4 black ball are present, and in second bag 4 red and 5 black ball are present. So in bag first there are total 7 ball, and in bag second there are 9 balls are present. Okay, now it is saying that one ball is transferred from bag first. One ball is transferred from this bag to this bag. Okay? And then a ball is drawn from bag second. Okay? First, one ball is drawn from this bag and transferred to the second bag. Then a ball is drawn from second bag and the ball so drawn is found to be red in color. Okay, find the probability that the transfer ball is black. So we will let two event. Our first event is that a red ball is drawn from bag first. Our event is what? Event that a red ball drawn from bag first. Okay? And E2 is what? Event that a black ball is event that a black ball drawn from bag second. This is our E2. And the common is what? A with the event of drawing a red ball. A is what? Event of drawing a red ball. Because the ball which is transferred from bag first to bag second, then a ball is drawn from second bag and it is found to be red. So our A is what? Event of drawing a red ball. Okay? Now we will find the probability of E1. Our E1 is what? Event that a red ball is drawn from bag first. Okay? So red is 3, but total number of ball in bag first is 7. Now probability of E2 is what? Event that a black ball is drawn from bag. Here will be bag first. Okay. Because one ball is transferred from bag first to second. So we have taken the event that our E1 event is a red ball is transferred from back first, and E2 event is a black ball is drawn from back second. Because in back first there are both balls, red balls and black ball. So we are supposing that first event is that a red ball is drawn from back first and transferred to the second, and E2 is a black ball is drawn from back first. We don't know. Okay, so E2 is what? 4/7. Okay. Now, after transferring a red ball from back first to back second, after transferring a red ball from back first to back second, one ball we have taken and transferred to the back second. Then back second half, then there are 5 red and 5 black ball, because there are already 4 balls of red color and we are transferring one red ball here. So the total number of red ball is what? 5 red and 5 black. Now you will find the probability of A by E1. A by E1 is what? We are taking the probability of drawing a red ball from back first. Okay? So it will be what? We are taking a red ball from here and send to back second. Then it is red ball, the probability of getting a red ball. So what will be, how many balls are there? 5 red ball and total 10. So it will be what? 1/2. Probability of A by E1 is what? 1/2. Now, after transferring a black ball from back first to back second, then back second have 4 red and 6 black ball. Okay, because we are transferring black ball, so number of increase in black ball will be what? 6 ball total, and 4 ball are already here. So probability of A by E2 is what? Now we are taking the probability of red ball. So here are red ball 4 and total number of ball are 10. So it will be what? 2/5, because we have to find the probability of red ball when a black ball is sent to the second back. So the red ball number will be 4, but the whole ball will be changed from 9 to 10. So we write 4/10. So it will be 2/5. Okay. So now we have to find what? We have to find probability of E2 by A, because in the question we have to find the probability that the transfer ball is black. First event is a red ball is sent. Okay. E2 is a black ball is sent. So our question, we have to find that question is find the probability that the transfer ball is black. So we will find the probability that what? Probability of E2 by A. Okay. So probability of E2 by A will be what? It will be probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 divided by probability of A1 probability of A by A1 plus probability of A2 probability of A by A2. Okay, so this is our formula. This is the formula Bayes theorem, because we have to find, we are taking here A2 because in the question we have to find the probability that a black ball is transferred from first back to back second. So a black ball is, we have considered the event E2 for black ball drawing from back first. So it will going in, so probability of E2 by E1 we are taking. Now we will put the values of all these, we will put the value. So overall what we have done, let us see once. We have 2 back first, back second. In back first 3 red and 4 black ball. In back second 4 red and 5 black ball. So we have to find, we have to say that in the question a ball is transferred from back first to back second and it is found to be red in color. Then find the probability of transfer ball which is black. Okay. So we have supposed that event, we don't know that it is which type of ball. So we have taken first condition that we are drawing a red ball from back first, and second condition is either it will maybe black because both balls are present there. So we are second condition taking a black ball is drawn from back first, and our condition A is what, even drawing a red ball because it is given in the question that the ball is found to be red. Okay, so our probability of even will be what? Even will be 3 by 7 because in back first there are 3 red balls. In back second there are 4 red balls, so 4 by 7. Sorry, in back first there are 4 black balls, so it will be 4 by 7. Now, after transferring a red ball from back first to back second, the number of balls of red color in back second is 5 red and 5 black. So probability of A by E1, which is taking a red ball and from back first, then it will be 5 by 10 because total number of ball is 10, so 1 by 2. Now after transferring, suppose we are transferring a black ball, so black ball from back first to back second, then the number of black ball is 6 and red ball is 4. But what we have to say is that we have to find the probability of red color. So A by E2 is what? 4 by 10. There are 4 red ball and 10 total. So it will be 2 by 5. Now in the question we have to say that find the probability of getting a red ball from red ball. Find the probability that the transfer ball is black. It says that, clearly says that find the probability that the transfer ball is black. So what will be? So it will be probability of E2 by A. So we have formula E2, probability of A by E2, E1, probability of A by E1. Now we will put the values of all these. You will see here. It will be what? We are going to put. So probability of E2 by A is what? E2 is 4 by 7. And A by E2 is 2 by 5 divided by E1 is 3 by 7 and A by E1 is 1 by 2 plus 4 by 7 into 2 by 5. Now we will solve it. This is 35. Sorry, it will be 35 and above 14, 4 to the 8, and here again. This is what 3 by 14 and 8 by 35. Now either we can write this taking 1 by 7 outside, we get 3 by 2 plus 8 by 5. After solving this will be cancelled. This will be 8 by 5 by 10, 515 and 2 So it will be 16 by 31. It will be the probability of the question which is given. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we will see the next question. We will see the next question. Our next question is, a girl throw a die. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times. A girl throw a die. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times and notes the number of heads. If she gets 1, 2, 3 and 4, then she tosses a coin 2 times. Okay, and notes the number of head obtained. If she obtained exactly 2 heads, what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3 or 4 with the die? Okay, so a girl which have a die, and when you throw it, if it comes 5 or 6, then she throw a coin 3 times. If it comes 1, 2, 3 or 4, then she throw a coin 2 times. Okay, this is the question. She tosses a coin 2 times. Tosses a coin 3 times and here 2 times. Okay, and notes the number of head. And so our first event is what? E1 is getting 5 or 6. Our first event is getting 5 or 6 in a single throw of die. Okay, and event E2 is what? Getting 1, 2, 3 or 4 in a single throw of die. This is our question. And our A is what? Getting exactly 2 heads. Okay. This is our information from the question we have to give it. A girl which have a die and she is rolling a die. Then if she got 5 or 6, then she toss a coin 3 times. She toss a coin 3 times, and either she getting the number 1, 2, 3 or 4, she again throw a coin 2 times. Okay, this is our question. And so we have taken what? 2 events. And in these both cases, she is noting the number of heads. Okay. So we have taken the 2 events. First event is getting 5 or 6 in a single throw of die. Okay. So first, this is our first event and this is second event, E2. And this is getting a 1, 2, 3 or 4 in a single throw of die. So first we will find the probability of these both events. And our common event is A, which is exactly 2 heads. So okay, so our probability of E1 is what? This is 2 and 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Probability of E1 is this, and again probability of E2. Let's see here. Probability of E2 is what? There are 4, so 4 by 6. This is 2 by 3. Okay. Now we have given that if it is coming 4 or 6, then we are throwing a coin 3 times. So the number of heads when see throwing a coin 3 times will be what? That is so here will be H, 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 S, T, H, T, H, H, T, T, H, and H, H, T, H, T, T, and T, H, T, and last T, T, T. So this is the sample space of when she is tossing a coin 3 times. So we have to consider what probability of A by E1. This is what? This is getting exactly 2 head when a coin is tosses 3 times. So when the coin is tosses 3 times, the total number of possibility is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are different. H, 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 S, T, S, T, H, H, T, 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 H, H, S, T, S, T, 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 S, T, 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 T. So, where is the exactly 2 heads? Exactly 2 head is here, exactly 2 head is here, and exactly 2 head is here. So the favorable number of outcome is what? 3. So 3 by 8 is here. Okay. Now we will find what? Probability of when 1, 2, 3 or 4 coming, then see, then tosses coins 2 times, then the sample space is H, H, T, H, S, T, and T, T. So the probability of A by E2 is what? When probability of A by E2 is what? The probability of getting exactly 2 heads when a coin is tosses 2 times. So it will be what? So here is only one condition, that HS is only 1 time. So our probability of A by E1 is what? E2 is what? 1 by 4, because total number of outcome is this, total number of sample space is 4. So we write 1 by 4. Okay. Now we have to find that what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3 or 4 with the die. So we have to finally find probability of E2 by A. Okay, because in the question it is saying that find the probability when it is coming 1, 2, 3 or 4. So the event E2 has occurred here. So we write E2 by A is equal to what? Probability of E2 probability of A by E2 and divided by probability of E1 probability of A by E1 plus E2 probability of A by E2. Okay. Now we will put the value of these all here and we get our required result. Okay. So what we have done overall in this question, let's see once again. Our question is that a girl has a die, okay, and she roll a die. If she getting 5 or 6, she throw a coin 3 times. If she is getting 1, 2, 3 or 4, she throw a coin 2 times. So she notes always in the case the number of heads when she throw a coin or toss a coin. Okay. So it is saying that the exactly 2 heads is coming. Now we have to find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads when she get 1, 2, 3 or 4. So we have made that a die which is coming after rolling 5 or 6, she throw a coin 3 times. If it is coming 1, 2, 3 or 4, she throw a coin 2 times. Now we have 2 events. First event is getting 5 or 6 in a single throw die, getting 1, 2, 3 or 4 in a single throw die. Okay, or A is what? Getting exactly 2 heads. Okay, getting exactly 2 heads. And probability of E1 is what? In E1 there are 2 events, 2 by 6, so 1 by 3 is our probability of getting event E1. And probability of event E2 is 4 by 6, there are 4 events. So it will be after cancellation 2 by 3. Okay. Now the number of heads when she throw a coin 3 times. Either here right when 5 or 6 coming, then she throw a coin 3 times. Then the sample space is this and this, and we have to find probability of A by E1. Probability of getting A or getting exactly 2 heads when E1 occur. Okay, so it will be 3 by 8 because exactly 3 heads is here and nothing all. Now when this is coming, then tosses coin 2 times. So here is only one case. So that 1 by 4, and we have to find E2 by A. Now we put the value of R and we will solve it. Probability of E2 by A is equal to probability of E2. E2 is 2 by 3 into A by E2 1 by 4 and probability of E1 1 by 3. Probability of A by E1 is 3 by 8 and 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. Now we will further solve it and get, so 1 by 4 is common overall, so we get 2 by 3 here and divided by 4 we get, this is cancelled, so 1 by 2 is here plus 2 by 3. Now this is cancelled, 2 by 3 by 3 plus this is LCM 6 and we are getting 3 plus 4, and this is 3 to 4 by 7. Now this is our required result which we have to find out from the given information in the question. Okay, so after putting the value of probability of E2, probability of A by E2, and probability of E1, probability of A by E1, we get our result what, which is 4 by 7. So it will be our probability. I hope you understand. So thank you.